We did the auger drilling program on our known resources, and yes, it did work there. So then we did it on the entire length of the permit, which is 30 kilometers long, and we outlined a lot of auger anomalies that will allow us to take, we have a huge soil anomaly, so it narrows down those soil anomalies so that it's a more effective way to drill and add ounces in the future.
Hello and welcome everyone to the Assay TV, where we are rounding up 121's mining investment event in Cape Town. Today I'm joined by Peter Ledwidge, the Managing Director and founder of Mako Gold. Mako Gold is an Australian-based exploration company focused on its Gold Napié project. Can you tell us a little bit more about that, please?
Yeah, we're in Côte in West Africa, and our team's got a very good track record for making discoveries in that part of the world. We were all previously with a company called Gold, where we made 3 discoveries, and up to the resource stage, which led to the takeover of the company. So that's when I founded Mako Gold after that. So already with Mako Gold, we've made 2 discoveries, one in Burkina Faso, which we sold 2 years ago, and we're no longer working there, and we're focusing on our flagship Napié project in Côte d'Ivoire, where we announced our maiden resource in June of last year, which is 868,000 ounces at 1.2 grams per ton. So lots of growth ahead.
So you recently commenced a 25,000 meter auger drill program. Can you tell us what kind of results you delineated from that?
Yeah, we announced those results quite recently, and we're very extremely happy with those. So the object of that, even though auger drilling doesn't sound as exciting as RC or diamond drilling, the object of that was to find more footprints of what we have now, which is just short of 900,000 ounces. So before we move ahead, we want to make sure, is there the makings of significant resource growth? And so the first thing we did is we did the auger drilling program on our known resources. And yes, it did work there. So then we did it on the entire length of the permit, which is 30 kilometers long. And we outlined a lot of auger anomalies that will allow us to take, we have a huge soil anomaly, so it narrows down those soil anomalies so that it's a more effective way to drill and add ounces in the future.
So what is the company's broader growth strategy for 2023?
Well, really, we want to be, the minimum threshold that we need to be at is producing 100,000 ounces a year for 10 years. So that means to do that, that would be a reserve of 1 million ounces. So in order to do that, you need 2 million ounces of resource. And then usually you convert about 50% of your resource into your reserves. So for us, that's a threshold, but based on the auger drilling that we've seen, we definitely see the makings of 2, 3, 4 million ounces on the project.
So other than the expansion of the maiden resource, are there any other milestones investors should be looking out for?
Well, yes, at the end of this year, we hope to be up to 1.5 million ounces. By the end of next year, we hope to be to 2.5, 3 million ounces. And, there's always exciting stuff. I'm always looking at new projects, and but really it's the big focus is the growth of the Napié project. And we've got another project as well, which is kind of part of the pipeline, but we won't talk about that one during this.
We won't talk about it today. It sounds like Mako has a lot happening in 2023, and thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you, my pleasure.